Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will give my opinion on this news that I read in the street.com. Tesla dominance pushes major car maker to exit electric vehicles. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So in this article in the street.com about electric vehicles, as we all know, Tesla, the company that was founded by Elon Musk, still dominant, or dominance in electric car vehicles business. So in this article written by Kirk O'Neill, the title is Tesla dominance poses major car maker to exit electric vehicles. Nowadays, especially in North America, electric vehicles are very popular because of the push to have environmental vehicle that helps our environment. So to unable to compete with Tesla and other electric vehicle makers, a major car maker is exiting the EV or electric vehicle market and focusing on plug-in hybrids. So this news is very alarming in a sense that once Tesla controls the electric vehicle market, they can dictate the price. Maybe we can say that they can able to monopolize the electric vehicle market, which becomes a very disadvantageous among consumers because they can dictate the price. The price of Tesla car is much higher or much expensive compared with other competitors, so creating um, electric vehicles. So here, the electric vehicle industry recent growth has been remarkable, with automakers revealing, producing, and delivering new models and upgrading existing models on the market seemingly daily. So there is an intense competition and development in terms of technology, what they can offer to the consumers about electric vehicle. However, the industry leading company Tesla set a record for deliveries in the first half of the year with about 889,000 EVs or electric vehicles delivered through June 30. So the company have already surpassed the industry in the first quarter of 2023 as its Model Y sports utility vehicle became the world's best-selling car, with about 267,200 vehicles sold in the first 3 months. Can you imagine? For the first quarter alone, 3 months, they were able to sold 267,200 ahead of Toyota, which sold with 256,400 Corolla units and 214,700 RAV4 vehicles worldwide. So we can clearly see the dominance of Tesla in terms of selling their electric vehicles. Even Toyota was considered as the number one vehicle in terms of sales to the world, has a hard time in competing with them. Okay, so Tesla expected to energize the industry again with its delivers new Cybertruck pickup at the end of third quarter, most likely the end of September, CEO Elon Musk has said. Okay, so here Rivian, okay, so the best-selling electric pickup truck in 2022, selling at 20,332 its R1T vehicles, while Ford F-150 Lightning EV came second with 15,617 pickups sold. So we have also some developments of new pickup truck EV coming soon. General Motors, Chevrolet are getting ready, according to this report, about the Chevy Silverado EV pickup, which the company said might be available to purchase sometime in fall of 2023. So as we can see, no, there are some great developments in terms of new truck pickups, no, that uses electric, no. So it wouldn't be surprising if Tesla surpassed all electric vehicles makers in truck deliverables shortly after releasing of Cybertruck on the market. Musk, the CEO of Tesla, said 5 days after the vehicle was unveiled in 2019, the company had 187,000 orders. It wouldn't be difficult for Tesla to surpass Rivian's and Ford's delivery numbers if production can keep up with demand. As we all know, the demand, no, of electric vehicles, no, has becomes more uh, obvious, no, especially in North America, in other parts of the world, because of the trend, no, to have an eco-friendly vehicles, no, that does not emit, no, smoke, no, that helps our environment, no. With this news about high demand for new EV products hitting the market, it would be rare for automakers to discontinue popular EV brands already on the market. But believe it or not, that has happened. So Nissan, no, one of the popular car maker, was one of the pioneers of the EV industry when introduced the Leaf in 2010, an early mass-produced EV. The Japanese car maker has said it plans to discontinue its small, affordable EV in the next few years and replace it with new EV sometime in 2026. So here we can clearly see that Nissan, no, is a well-established automaker, no, is also struggling, no, to compete with Tesla. GM 2023 Chevy Bolt had been one of the most popular and affordable EV on the market, with manufacturers suggest retail price beginning at $26,500. GM originally planned to increase production this year from about 44,000 Bolts in 2022 to 70,000 in 2023, but the company surprised the industry when it decided to discontinue manufacturing Bolts in April. So we don't know what are the reasons behind that. Maybe, they were able, to realize that in terms of sales, they are suffering a lot, by the dominance of Tesla, so they don't want, to continue their losses on their business, So GM CEO Mary Barra, however, changed course during the company's July 25 earnings call and confirmed that Detroit automaker would bring back the Chevy Bolt EV under its third generation battery technology. So as we all know, electric vehicles, are very dependent on battery, so the more efficient the battery is, it will be much longer, compared with the previous predecessor that has a much shorter lifespan. Okay, so we have also here, Mazda, its MX-30 SUV in the market was also discontinued, So Mazda began production of its first electric vehicle, the MX-30 sports utility vehicle, in May 2020 in Hiroshima, Japan, and began selling it in the US in 2021, but only limited capacity in California. The company sold 66 MX-30 EV in the first half of 2023 and 324 in 2022, and 2021 we have only 116. Car figures reported the vehicle only has a range about 100 miles. The Japanese automaker, however, has decided to discontinue the Mazda MX-30 EV for the US market following the 2023 model year, but it was still sell the vehicle in Japan and Europe. Mazda will focus on electrification efforts in the US on plug-in hybrids EV such as the 2024 CX-90 PHEV, the upcoming CX-70 PHEV, and a new CX-50 hybrid. Mazda North American operation said in July 2028's statement. To wrap up, so we have already identified companies that discontinue or limited the production of their electric vehicle production because of the dominance of Tesla. We identify Toyota, Mazda, and Nissan. So we don't know what will happen in the future. The question is, can Tesla still dominate the future in terms of car production in electric vehicles, or will other automaker, no, that engage, no, in electric vehicle manufacturing can able surpass or fight back, no, in terms the production and sales of compared to Tesla. So you can leave your comment, no, your opinion, no, regarding this topic that I discussed about the dominance of Tesla pushes major car makers to exit in electric vehicles. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.